Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Scorpions. Let's see what's happening for Scorpions in their love life in the month of September. It's a general love reading, so it will not resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel so that you never miss any updates. Okay. So let's see what's happening for Scorpions in their love life in the month of September. What's happening for Scorpions in their love life in the month of September. Scorpions. Okay, the first card is Ten of Wands. You might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, the Fool, Aries energy. The Magician. Wow. What more do we have? The next card is Death, Scorpion energy. This might be your energy too. The Star, you might be dealing with an Aquarius specifically. And the next one is Three of Cups. You might be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And let's see what is the bottom of deck. The bottom of the deck is the Lovers, Gemini energy. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of major changes happening in your love life, Scorpions. Like a lot is going to happen. Your person is going through a lot of maybe spiritual growth. They are changing, like they are changing in the way they think about you, the way they feel about you, and in a good way. Okay. I'm seeing your person was quite cold towards you, was not being quite open to how you feel. They were not showing their feelings, not expressing much. They were not hopeful about this connection. I think something was pulling them back. They were wanting to be with you, they were quite hopeful, but something was pulling them back. With this Ten of Wands energy, I'm seeing a lot of pressure, a lot of mental stress this person will be going through in the month of September. They will have to go through a lot to realize. Maybe many of them are into a third party situation. They don't know whom they want to be with. So they are going to be going through a lot. Scorpions, whomsoever you're dealing with, this person is going through a lot, will be going through a lot in the month of September. They will want, if they want to come towards you, if they want to earn you, if they want to earn your trust back, maybe this person hurt you in the past. And if they want to trust you, they have to let go of all the burdens. If they want to come forward, they have to come forward with like a light-hearted energy. They can't be dealing with two people at the same time. Maybe they were dealing with someone else and you, and this is like stressing them out. This will be stressing them out in the month of September. They can't be ignorant towards this connection. This connection is divinely guided. They can't be more ignorant towards you and your feelings. It's just not possible for them. Okay. I'm seeing this person has a lot of feelings for you with this Lovers card. Their feelings are like, they are totally in love with you. They will realize this. But for this to happen in the reality, they have to let go of someone. Maybe they were in a third party situation, and in the month of September, they will have a lot of realizations. They will have to go through a lot of transformation to realize that they love you. They have to be with you. They truly love you. You are their only one. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. Things will be turning quite positive for you, Scorpions, in the month of September. Sorry. Yeah, they will have an emotional breakdown in the month of September. I'm catching a lot of depressive energy, a lot of overwhelmed feelings. I think this person was quite ignorant towards you in the past. They were not being attentive to your feelings. They were not being reciprocating your feelings. And this was like this will be paying, they will be paying off this in the month of September. They will have to realize how important you are to them, and universe is just going to guide them towards you. Okay, they're going to feel a lot stressed, anxious. They will miss you in the month of September. They will feel alone. They will want to be with you. Okay, this person is feeling like they will be feeling abandoned, like you are moving on. They will feel your energy that you are leaving this situation. Okay, I want to see your energies. Let me pull some cards for your energies in the month of September. How is Scorpion going to feel in the month of September? Like, see, they will have to take that decision. Maybe they are with two people at the same time, juggling two people at the same time, and they will have to decide. This is a judgment. This is a this decision has to be made in the month of September. Okay, how is Scorpion going to feel in the month of September? Please show me Scorpion's feelings. Scorpion's feelings in the month of September. Okay, yeah. It might be you too. Like, these energies I'm talking about, it might be about you too. Maybe you are dealing with someone else. Okay, and you have to decide something. Okay, so that is what the whole scenario is about. I think you might also be dealing with someone else, and you both have to decide something in order to take things further. Okay, yeah, Hanged Man. I think you are stuck, or maybe you are feeling stuck because this person is dealing with someone else. Okay, things are not moving forward for you. September is a month of realizations for both of you on many levels. Okay, yeah, I think you need to understand how powerful you are. You have that wisdom, you have that knowledge, you have that clarity in you. You just have to look inside you, you just have to look deep within. Okay, definitely. I think you need to have realization of certain things now. See, cutting off the people who are not choosing you, who are keeping you as an option. King of Swords. You have to come into your power in the month of September. You need to realize that you have to take stand for yourself. No one can do that for you. Okay, so maybe this person is dealing with someone else and they are choosing you as an option. You need to set boundaries. Like, I'm not going to let anyone play with my feelings. No one can play with my feelings. You need to realize that, and when you will realize that, then things will start happening in your favor in the month of September. Okay, stop waiting for the wrong ones and start doing the right things. Set your boundaries. Okay, you are stalking someone, maybe you're waiting for someone who is not right. Maybe this person is not right for you, but this time they are coming around with a very genuine energy. They are going to really realize how important you are to them. Okay, so yeah, Scorpion, that is what I'm seeing here. Let me clarify some cards. What is this 10 of Wands here? What is this 10 of Wands? I think you are manifesting this person, because Magician has come up 2 times in this reading. Maybe you both want to be with each other, and you both are unknowingly manifesting each other, because it's their energy and it is your energy. You both are manifesting each other, but you have to be very clear like what you want. Okay, you don't have to compromise on anything. What is this 10 of Wands about? Yeah, 4 of Swords. Now they will realize how it feels. Okay, they will realize how it feels to be hurt, to be alone, to be left out. When they left you in the cold, you were all alone. You stood up for yourself. Okay, what is this Fool energy about, please? 7 of Pentacles, clarifying the Fool energy for your person. I think this person will realize that if they keep on walking on their path carelessly, they will have nothing left with them. Okay, they will have failure in love. If they want you, they have to chase you. They have to show that they love you. Okay, what is this 3 of Cups about for Scorpion's person? What is this 3 of Cups about, please? Yeah, I think they will choose to be alone, and then they will have that realization that they want you in their life. First, this person needs to come out of the third party situation and be alone. Take time to heal, take time for themselves. Okay, what is this Death card about? 6 of Cups. I think now is the time for transformation. This person too wants stability with you, they want pleasure with you, they want to spend time with you, they want to show their feelings to you, and this person will be coming out of their cold energy and will be expressing their love to you. Okay, what is this Five of Cups about? Yeah, Five of Pentacles. I think they will chase you now. Maybe you were chasing them and now they will worry about you. They will chase you. They will feel as if you are leaving them alone. Okay, and that will be stressing them out. What is Two of Pentacles in Scorpion's energy? Two cards, Death, Rebirth, and Nine of Cups. I think you just wanted to be with this person and you were ignoring the other things, this bad things this person was doing in the past. They were cheating you, they were with the third party situation, you were ignoring that thing, and I think now you need to realize that I know you want to be with them. With this Death, Rebirth card, I know with this Death card you want a new cycle to begin with this person. Death card is coming up twice in the reading, so definitely you want to be with this person, but you have to realize you want your wishes are going to come true, but the thing is you need to realize this person can't be keeping relationships with two people. They can't be dating two people at the same time. Okay, you need to see the reality. What is this Hangman for Scorpion energy? Okay, what is the card? King of Cups. So I think they will come up. I would really advise you to wait for this person to express their feelings. Don't take any action. They will be the one coming behind you, chasing you. What is this Page of Wands about for Scorpions? What is this Page of Wands about? Yeah, Nine of Wands. I think you need to keep boundaries. You need to set boundaries. You cannot let anyone walk over you now. You have to be very strong. Don't give in. I think you are on the verge of messaging this person or calling this person yourself. Don't do that. I will really advise not to call your person or yourself. Let them do the chasing now. What is this King of Swords about? Let them have their karma. Yeah, you are taking stand for yourself. Hermit clarifying the King of Swords. I think you are in your power now. You understand. See, Hierophant, Hermit, you are definitely taking time for yourself and really digging deep inside what you want. Is this what you really deserve? Is this really what you want? That is the whole scenario. Okay, Scorpions. Let's see what oracle messages do we have for you. The first one is ask for help. Angels are celestial beings who protect everyone, and the fairies say now is the time for you to ask for. So I think you need to pray, you need to meditate, you need to ask angels, universe for guidance and help, and you will really be helped. Okay, you will be served with help and clarity. What more do we have? Okay, journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you're ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. I think you need to see, this journey can be physical journey, like you need to socialize more, you need to be with your friends, travel somewhere you love, some places where you love. You need to really take time for yourself now. Just don't keep on waiting for this person and wasting your time. You need to understand that it is your own journey, and the journey within is also important. You need to understand how important you are, how loved you are, and that is the whole thing. Okay, let's see what handwritten advices do we have for Scorpions in the month of September. For the month of September, see, reconciliation. For many of you, this person is coming back. They are coming back with a wanting to reconcile with you. Maybe you are dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Promotion. So yeah, good news coming for you. What more do we have for Scorpions? Okay, two more and we are done. Soulmates. Yeah, maybe you both are soulmates and it is a confirmation now. Career or job, maybe something major is going to happen for your career and job. So yeah, that was it, Scorpions. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.